Hey fellas, here is a quick video. It's a fun too. So there is a specific facility or package which will allow you to peep through a file and show you in real time. Okay, and I'll show you how you could manage stuff in a better way, with a simple stuff, right? To to make out whatever I said right now, let me go to my. This is my Emacs client. Say for instance, if I wanted to go to a specific dart, okay, and if I open up this file, and you see if my cursor is moving, I can't see anything about the file. For instance, if I wanted to have a look what that actually file contain, okay, means whenever I put my cursor, like in this case you see my cursor is moving, so the moment I move my cursor to another file, it should show me a preview of the file, what it is in the file. Okay, so in a quick glance you can see that what the file contains. It should pop up a buffer on the right hand side and show you the content of the file. Okay, so there is a facility, there is a package which probably known to a lot of you. Those who don't know it, they'll come to know about it. That is called peep-buffer, peep-dired. Okay, so look at the bottom of the screen. It is called peep-dired. Okay, a convenient way to look up file content in other window while browsing direct. You see, it's quite explicit. So if you install this damn package and if you press enter, see, it's already open up a preview buffer. If I open it like this, you see, it shows you that see, my cursor is moving, right, and it is showing me the preview of the content of the file in a preview buffer on the right hand side, right? So it's very convenient. Sometimes you just want to have a look into the file instead of getting into the file or opening it, you could do so. Okay, so this is a very what I say, very convenient way of seeing things. This is called peep-dired. Okay, this package is available. Okay, so if I close it, and if I show you, if I press enter to generate the doc, so you could see, just give it a second. Now you see there are other peep-dired options which I'm not concerned about, which you will explore it eventually if you are interested to install it and give it a go. So a convenient way of look up file contents in other window while browsing directory in Dart. Okay, this is a minor mode, and it helps, as I mentioned already, that without opening the particular file on a dedicated buffer, you might have a glance on the content of the by pressing the cursor on the file itself while in Dart. So here's the code behind the scene which will be working. I just make it exposed to you, so if you are keen on that, you might look on this. Okay, so this is an extremely useful package for especially for the people who just want to have a glance on the stuff on the Dart. Okay, so this is one, and another one is, so generally when you do Control C and Control B, the buffer will be open, but when you bind it with the iBuffer is a damn good facility inside Emacs. So Control X, Control V. Okay, you see Control X, Control B. It's a buffer list, right? This many buffers get open, so I want to get rid of it. The easiest possible way to open up an iBuffer like this, Control X, Control B is binded with iBuffer in my system. So if I press D, it all get marks which I don't want. Okay, simple. And just press X. Bang! Look at the bottom of the screen. It enlisted all the marked deleted stuff. Just press Y. It's all gone at once. Very, very convenient. Okay, so two things I shown you, just to use the peep-dired, which is a package which will allow you to look into a file content, and if you map some key to iBuffer, so you can easily do the bulk operation. Mind you, you could do the same thing in several. If you press Control X and K, which is a very normal thing, so you have to select one by one buffer to kill, right? Or you have to write something else specifically to do the bulk killing of various buffers at once. So instead of that, if you bind it with iBuffer with some sort of convenient key, you bring up information like this, those what I showed to you, and simple pressing D will select all these things. Press X, bang, at once it's gone. So it's very convenient way of doing it, especially if you open hell lot of buffer. As I said, peep-dired open buffer with the file what is showing in the context window. Okay, and until unless you take measure of get those buffer buried quickly once you are moving your cursor, which is yet another taking. So instead of that, you could open up an iBuffer and kill in convenient way. So I thought this will be useful for some people who are curious enough, although very rudimentary. Thanks for watching.